Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress theme is this site using. Okay, what WordPress theme is this site using? What WordPress theme is this website using? So basically, you know that that question is a question of someone that do not have access to that site, the back end, and they're actually trying to know what theme that website is running on or is using. Maybe they actually like the theme and they want to use the same theme or something. It's very simple. There are a lot of tools that can show you, that can reveal the theme a WordPress site is using. I've talked about them in quite some of the videos before now. One of them is what WP theme is that, WP theme Detector.com, scan WP, and so many of them. And apart from even using those tools, you can intermediately check the website source code and search for the word theme. Just click view page source, and once the page source is loaded, you press Ctrl find and you type theme. You see theme here and you see the name of the theme. You can also see a URL where you see WP content themes. Then you will know the theme that the thing is using, which is just video here. So that's basically how to know what WordPress theme a particular website is using. So that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.